So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to align text here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, go to the left-hand side, press on text, and we'll go ahead here and add some text. So by default, I'll just go with align just like that. Your text does align to the middle, meaning that when you type, it'll align in the middle and kind of work its way out. So this is an example. You know what I'm talking about here. So if you wanted to align text to maybe where it starts off on the right and works its way left, or left works its way right, it's very simple. Simply just go ahead, press on the text right here to open up this top bar. A bunch of different options here, but where it says font align, press on that. Then you can align it to the left. You can align it to the center, to the right, justify it. You can also align it vertically as well, making it top or middle. So, for example, if you wanted to go like this. You can go ahead here and align the text here, not spacing, so that it's in the middle, top, bottom, whatever the case may be. Once again, right, left, center. It's up to you guys. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can align text here on a Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.